Hello there, I'm here to try these Pecan Nation cinnamon pecans right here. I'll look and see if I can find these online. If I can, I will put a link below. They smell delicious. You can really smell the cinnamon. Let me see if I can show you what's in the bag. The lighting's a little dark. I know, I'm sorry.
Oh, this is level 60. Oh my.
Okay, here we go. You want to try them? No, baby. Good coating. The cinnamon.
It's not overpowering.
It's not. It doesn't punch in the throat.
It's nice. I like it.
Yeah.
Alright, this is too high of a level for us to do.
Yeah, this is a really tasty one. I would recommend these. We would get these again.
Oh,
If you've ever had the Pecan Nation cinnamon pecans, what were your thoughts on them? And if you haven't, are you a fan of snacking on nuts? We are. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.